So I'm going to be showing you guys a cool trick for how you can make apps go full screen on the Motorola Razr Plus. Now, since this phone has a longer screen on it, some apps and games don't actually fit correctly, and I'm going to show you an example right here. Now, I loaded this game up, and you can see in the left-hand corner, the screen isn't completely extended, so it's cut off a little bit. Now, the good news is there is a way to fix this. So you just need to go into your settings, and you want to click on Display. Now, in the display option, you will see a full screen option, and that's what you want to tap on. It's in the middle here. Okay, now you can really just go through the list of apps and games you have on your phone already, and then you would basically just slide these options over to full screen so that this works. And you can see there's a little notification here at the top that when you do this, it should make the app go in full screen. So we're going to load this back up, this game I just had, and I'll do a close-up to show you guys exactly how it's going to look. And okay, cool. Yep, it's extending all the way out. I'm going to hold it up. Cool. Now we got the full screen on this game, and this is just one example. Okay. If you're having an issue with this, I hope it helps you guys out. I also want to point out you can get on our Tech newsletter where we send out one email a week on only the good stuff directly below in the description. As always, thanks for watching this, guys. We'll see you all in the next video.